Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Target 100 in Mathematics by Shivesh Kumar Singh, and today we are going to talk about irrational numbers and how to find some irrational numbers between two given numbers, and at the end of the video we will see how to classify among the given numbers. Okay, now let's start the lesson. Before that, just for a revision, what I have told you for the irrational number means what type of numbers are taken as the irrational numbers means non-terminating and non-repeating. Non-terminating and non-repeating decimals are called irrational number. For example, if I say 2.3107814000100 like that. Okay, so you can see after the decimal point you cannot form any pattern. There is no repetition of the pattern, so it is a non-terminating and non-repeating number, and therefore this type of number will be called irrational number. Okay, so let's talk about some examples. For example, suppose question is find three irrational numbers between 3 by 7 and 5 by 7. Now see, such questions will be very easy for you if you can find their value. Value means you will have to find up to those number of decimal places when you get their different value. Okay, for example, 3 divided by 7. So just you need a long division for this. Okay, 3 divided by 7, so it's a smaller number, so 0 point, here it will become 0. 7 times 4, 28, minus remainder will be 2, and then 0 again. 7 times 2, 14. Okay, now leave it up to here only, and we'll see for the second number also. So its value is 0.42. We are not concerned with the third decimal place right now. Okay, that we'll see later if it is required. Now in the same way, let's find the value of 5 by 7. So divide 5 by 7, and what you will get here, again it's a smaller number, so 0 point, here it will become 0. 7 sevens are 49. Okay, so it is 1. Now you see here 10th place is 4 and here 10th place is 7, so no need to write even the second place also. Okay, so here it is 0.7. We are not concerned with the other numbers. Why we are not concerned with the other place value? Just try to understand why. Because here 10th place is 4 and here 10th place is 7. Both are different. So when both are different, then what we will do? We have to write some numbers between 0.4 to 0.7 without following any pattern. So means numbers can be, for example, first irrational number can be 0.43592617000139 like this. This type of one number you can write. Another number can be any number. Students, here answer cannot be unique. Okay, maybe I am writing three different numbers, you may have three another pair of numbers. Okay, some other students can have another set of numbers, but those numbers should be between 0.4 to 0.7. So another example can be 0.5623197814300100 like this. Okay, means you will not make any pattern, because if you will make the pattern, then it will become rational number. So irrational means neither terminating nor repeating, and the final number can be, it can be, say for example, 0.627593826431 like this. Okay, so these are the three possible answers you can have for this question. So again, just as a procedure, just whatever fractional number is given to you, you find the decimal number of that decimal presentation for that number, and then you check which decimal place is different from each other. So if first decimal place is same, you will go to the second one. If second decimal place is also same, you will go to the third decimal place. Okay, so unless you get the different decimal places, you will continue, and then you will write 2, 3 or whatever numbers you need to find between those numbers. Okay, for example, suppose we want to solve this question. You see same thing. 4 over 7 and 7 over 9. So again 4 over 7 means divide 4 by 7. What you will get here? It's a smaller number, so 0 here. 7 times 5. It will be 35. So 5 will be remainder. Okay. Now we are not going to waste our time in finding the second decimal place, and then it will not be required. So first of all, we will find 9 over 7 now. 7 over 9. So 7 divided by 9. What you will get here? Let's write little down. Maybe then second step will also be required. So 9 here, 7 here. So 0 point here, 0, 9 sevens are 63, remainder is 7. So you see here we got 0.5, here we got 0.7. So again you can write, because 10th place is different at both the numbers. Yes. So numbers can be, number 1 can be 0.543210001235019 like this. And another number can be 0.6327819350 like this. And the last number can be, it can be 0.6431231789. But remember, you will not make any pattern here, okay? Because if you'll make the pattern of repeating decimals, it will become rational numbers, okay? Now, let's talk about this question. This type of question definitely you are going to have in your exams. For example, here, classify the following as rational or irrational number. So just for the revision, what is the rational number? If you have missed that video, then please watch that video where I have explained you everything in detail. What is rational, what is irrational, okay? Just for the revision, what is rational? Any number decimal, if it is terminating or repeating, it will be called rational number, and otherwise it will be called irrational, means neither terminating nor repeating. So you can see here, after 3 decimal places, this number terminates. This decimal place terminates. So what you will write here? You must write the reason also. It's a terminating decimal. It's a terminating decimal. So it will be rational. Okay? So it will be rational. Now another example can be square root of 225. Now how you will do such questions? You see, it's very easy. Just write all prime factorization of this number. So it will be 5, then 5 times 4, 20, then 5 times 9, 45. Okay? Hope I have done it correctly. No, it is not correct. 5. Now then 5 comes here, then 5 times 9, 45. Then 3 will divide 9, so 3 3s are 9, then 3 here and 1, 9. So what you will do here is square root of 25 can be written as 5 multiply 5 multiply 3 multiply 3. Now make the pair. So 5 is going with the pair, 3 is also going with the pair. So inside the square root, there is no number left without pair. Yes, every number has the pair. So we can write 5 from this pair and 3 from that pair. So it will be 15. You see, we did not left here with any unpaired number. So if it is with any unpaired number, that will be irrational. But here we are getting a whole number or integer, you can say. So it is a rational number. Okay, this is one example. Now another can be square root of 27. So same procedure. 27 will be divided by 3. So here 3 times 9, then 3, 3 times 3, then 3 again, so 1. So it is square root of 27 can be written as 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. So it is a square root. So it means we will make the pair of 2. So here one pair, and then this number is left without pair. So without pair means this number will go out, 1 times 3 will go out, and then this 3 left inside. So since we have a square root left with unpaired number, so it will be irrational number. What it will be? Irrational number. Okay. Now let's talk about the last example. This is 0.4014308869 and so on. This dot 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 means this continues. Okay. Now can we see any pattern here in this side? No, we cannot see any pattern. Is it a terminating number? No, it is not a terminating number. Why? Because there are so many dots. It means it continues. So it is non-terminating, non-terminating and non-repeating. Non-terminating and non-repeating. So it is irrational number. Okay, like this you can classify the numbers and see if you remember some small things, then how easy it can be for you to classify the numbers. I'm sure you learned something from this video, and if you think that such videos will help to increase your knowledge, so subscribe my channel and please share with your friends. Thank you.